A renowned local photographer is spending some time this summer with the bugs and birds. Hummingbirds and wasps, to be precise. Dennis Fast is filming some impressive duels between feisty red-throated hummingbirds and determined wasps.
Quite often the wasp wins the battle. They go beak to beak or whatever you want to call it. And I've seen them going up into the air and they're still sort of nose to nose and nobody wants to give, but the hummingbird will finally give up. But sometimes the hummingbird gets its revenge, and yes, I have a couple of videos that are really quite spectacular.
Fast is hopeful the slow-motion videos of dueling hummingbirds and wasps will provide some cheer for many people. I'm Judy Peters.